Whoa, what is this? Is this like a glitch? Oh! Oh, Jesus! Sorry! Sorry. Oh my god! That scared me! Hello? Is this your stuff? Because I'll give it to you! No, I'm not gonna give it to him. Sorry. Please, I am just as scared as you are. I am very friendly. I am just a survivor. I don't even care, dude. You can have my stuff. You can. Well, this is your stuff, technically. Ah! Oh my god! Oh, okay. That's how it is. That's how it is, right? That's how it is. Okay. Alright, motherfucker. Get up here and break my legs. Oh. Okay.